Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I made a thing. Version 1 didn't fit, so let's put that there. Version 2 is on here. So I 3D printed, take this off, a vacuum attachment that instead of a chisel attachment like that, it has the opening on that side. Reason I did that was to clean out radiators. All right, I'm gonna see how well it does. First test. Fits on there pretty good. Sorry about the noise. All right, sorry about the noise and crappy video. These fans, they always suck in stuff. So I can still see a little bit of schmutz in there, but it worked pretty good. This is the tightest radiator pack right here. So it's the tightest to try to get. I don't know how they expect you to clean that. It's really a strange one. So, but I needed to, have a way to be able to clean that. I still got to do that a little more, but the chisel vacuum is always, it goes at it straight rather than at an angle, which you can do that. So I tried to design it like this. I might design one that's totally flat with the hole, totally on one side so I can really reach in there. Maybe make a longer adapter or whatever. But this is about the length that my 3D printer can do. But yeah, this thing is so far so good. Just wanted to show you that I made a thing and see how it works. So improvements need to be made, but hey, this is a start. This is a good start. All right, gonna clean that. I am changing the transmission oil on the truck. Let me go over there. But yeah, so I'm just doing the tranny fluid change. And you can still see it dripping. But the factory tells you at 30,000 just change the fluid, and then at 60,000 do the fluid and filter. So I'm going to do that, follow it exactly what the manual says inside. I was going to do the filter, but nah, not going to do that. I'm following the factory recommendations. So, but yeah, so far everything works good. There's no leaks, no nothing, and I think I got a leak under the engine somewhere, maybe a front main seal or just some light dusting of oil that's catching dust. So, you know, Cummins, they love to leak. Even brand spanking new ones. So, yeah, doing good on that. Let's check the filter, the ram air filter. Well, that looks cherry. No problemos there. Yeah, I kind of want to remove the EGR cooler because obviously, yeah. But I just don't want to mess with the coolant. Maybe one day. All right, so just made a little quick video. Get this thing back in the field. Got to sharpen it. So yeah, just a little bit of Saturday shenanigans. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And I really want to do a little shout out to 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Yeah, I hope to grow. If not, it's all good too. Just felt like sharing what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoy and continue to come back. All right, I do appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Aloha.